Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast, and I'm going to show you 5 tips and tricks how to turn off something and make your battery, a better health basically. So first of all, you go to your settings, then you scroll down until you see display and brightness, and here you want to choose dark. Dark mode, dark appearance, this saves the battery and basically is better for your iPhone. Another way is to reduce white. Go to accessibility, then display and text size and scroll down until you see reduce white point. So the bigger you make it, the darker your screen will look like. And the more battery will be saved. Another one is to go to your battery and battery help and charging and toggle on the button. Optimize battery charging. Make sure it's toggle on. So basically it reduces battery aging, as you can see it's written here. And another one is to actually just turn off all of your apps. Turn them on so they wouldn't be played in the background. And the last one is to go to your privacy and security, and then you're going to scroll down until you see analytics and improvements. And make sure that all of these buttons are turned off, so don't turn them on because they drain your battery. And yeah, guys, that's how you fix your iPhone battery draining fast. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye. Thanks for watching.